welcome back to my channel. So I was working out here in the yard and my ring went off and I went to go see and I have a package. So let's see what we got. It's from Succulent box. I had a gift card, so I ordered some plants. Let's see what's in here. Care instructions, 15% off your next order. I got a free plant. That is awesome. So look at that. Ah, they look so pretty. Since I had a gift card, I try to order. They're not unique. Like, well, okay, they're not. I think, yeah, these are not. You can find them at Lowe's and Home Depot, but just not all the time. So I did not have one of these because I probably did in the past and probably killed it. Not sure. But that is lovely. There are the roots. Wish that this one wasn't missing its head, because you know me, but I'm okay with that. I'll take that. It's fine. I wonder what my free one is going to be, if I remember. I got 2 crassless and a variegated paw, so we'll just have to see. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so I was itching to do one. That's really well packaged. Oh, that's my free plant right there. Pearls. Those are pretty. And they flowered. Very pretty. Cool. Project. Oh, I'm excited. I love bear paws. I got one and then it just wasn't looking good. It wasn't getting enough sun, so it just got funky and then it just, I think, ended up dying. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Look at how pretty it is. So pretty. It's really nice. Here is the other one. This is the last one. These desperately need some cleaning with some vinegar. Apple cider vinegar will clean them. Probably even plain vinegar will clean them. Not sure, but that's just me leaving them outside constantly. I forget. Very well packaged. Oh, here it is. This one is baby's necklace, I believe. Yep. I have a little bit, but they don't look so good. I had to behead them, so I wanted a new one, so I got this one. So yeah, I'm excited to pop that out. I love the color, the compact look that it has, how stacked they are. They're just so pretty. Okay, let me get some pots and pot these up really quickly because I do not want to mess them up. Guys, I am back. These are the pots that I just got from Home Depot. As always, I use the Miracle Grow cactus soil with turfus mix. So I'm gonna grab them. I think that's pretty perfect. I'll try to hold it up a little bit. Okay. Using my potting cart. I don't like making a mess in the greenhouse because then I have to hose down the table because it's pretty hard. I have a lot of plants on there, so it's hard to. I'll try to blow it with the blower, but then the dirt, the soil gets everywhere, and then it just makes it harder for me to clean it. So yeah, I'm like, I want to move this. This is what I like about this cart. I think it was a janitor's cart, and I turned it into my potting cart because it's very easy to move. It has wheels, and I just drag it wherever I need to take it. Most of the time I'm taking it where the sun is not going to be beaming on me and really just killing me with the sun. I'm just inspecting, making sure there's no surprises. So I'm just going to hold it like this and try to see where it's going to land, the soil, and try to hold it in place where I want it. It's not really doesn't have really long roots, so these will be in the greenhouse just because I would consider these a little bit less common, for at least for my area. So yeah, I want to see how they do in the greenhouse. If you guys know more about crassulas, if you know anything about crassulas, let me know if they just like bright light, not a lot of sun. So just let me know, so that I can make sure that where I put it in the greenhouse, it's not going to start either stretching on me or getting burned. I really like the look of individual plants. I like making arrangements, don't get me wrong, but I would like to have one of each full, like a good size, you know? That's what I like, so that's my goal lately. That's what I've been doing. Possibly, I don't want to make any promises, but possibly I've been propagating so well certain plants that I might be able to be selling some. So we'll see how that goes. These are a bit difficult because you have different heights here, so let's see how I'm going to do this. Because I don't want to bury the babies. So I just got to hold it steady here. And then just... I love this scoop that I got at the Dollar Tree. Because when you place it down, the soil is not going to spill out. You just push it back and it goes back. Somebody's coming back here. I think I heard the door. I hope the summer's not too tough on me, guys. Because like I said, I've been putting a lot of work into the backyard, at least this side. And I'm just hoping that my plants are going to make it when the rainy season comes. I am. Because to be honest, all these plants won't be able to fit in the greenhouse. I would like these to be a little bit more like together, but they're weird. They're flopping over. There's some something in here. I wonder why is it that a lot of the leaves at the bottom will start to rot or look like, I don't know, they get dark and weird looking. This one does not want to stay. Oh, it broke. Great. Propagate. I'm going to stop fidgeting with it because I'm going to keep messing around with it. Oh, it's so fragile. This one is also falling. What's wrong with you? It's okay. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. You do what you want. She doesn't want to stay up. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to try to clean them up a little bit. Look, this one's coming out. And then I'll show you what they look like. It's all done. Super cute. Can't wait to see them grow and flourish in here. And off to the greenhouse they go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.